I want to thank Austin, I want to thank Texas, I want to thank everybody.
The toughest sport on dirt is stampeding into the city.
Visit Phoenix presents a Desert Alternative Showcase. They're spotlighting the best of the best creatives from the Southwest.
Dubai's Museum of the Future pop-up drew huge crowds this year, hungry to see what's around the corner.
Deliciously bold flavor that'll take your game day food to the next level.
Dolly Parton is making her first appearance.
Big news out of Vegas for these music legends.
Hotel Emma will finally open its doors to the public tomorrow.
Austin, Texas was named a top 10 food city in America last year, so it can be difficult for a restaurant to stand out.
Ethos of the brand is spot on to what we're trying to build.